Okay, here we have the women elections for president of 2012. First, Sarah Palin that doesn't want to govern only Alaska, she want to govern all the United States. Then all will talk.
I want to make Alaska the capital of the United States. I want to make Extreme Adventures to look young and cute, and I would not legalize gays' wedding.
I want to get to the power and I will see what I would do on the government. I think I would dress CIA's soldiers and police uniform on pink, and I won't let them to rich higher places.
I am Hillary Clinton. You all notice me because my husband was President Ben Clinton. He made good things and something else for you all. I will gallus the gays' wedding.
Ben Clinton only ruined the country, and all of you are a piece of crap drowned with poop, and don't vote for this conspiracy of the government that was made only for them to get richer.
Well, the combatants are said. Let's finish this women presidential election 2012 once for all. You decide who won by your votes. Wait for the other video part to this story will continue.